Has anyone got any other questions for me? I think we've answered everything on the sheet. Does anyone here got anything else they want to ask? We are at the end of our time, but I can answer another question for sure.
Can I just ask about your Facebook profile? Because it said you've got so many followers, but there's a different number for your friends. Do
Mhm.
you strategically go out and try and add more friends in, like clients or prospects in as a friend so they see it? Or
I don't personally, I don't bother going out of my way to do that. I'm just more interested in publishing stuff that I know the algorithm's going to find and it will put it in front of people who share the same interests. If people add me as a friend, I always accept it, but I don't go looking and adding because one of the things that I have found is that now the AI activity detectors in Facebook, and actually this has been a thing for quite a long time, if you're adding lots of people, it can actually temporarily suspend your activity on your account because it looks like you're trying to mass add people. So I'm just more someone, if someone comes to me and adds me, I'll accept it. But what you have when you have the professional profile, which is the one I was showing you a minute ago, and you switch your personal profile to professional like this, is you can actually switch this. If I was to view this as a member of the public, which I don't know if I can I? From here. So you can view as public. Just want to show you. You can see here that I have the option to add that you can message me, you can follow me, or you can add me as a friend. Now, this is blurred out because I'm viewing it as myself, of course, but this is another reason why I really like having the professional profile setting rather than it just being a standard personal profile, because most people tend to choose to follow you rather than add you as a friend. And that's why you can see there I've got over 10,000 followers. You can only have 5,000 friends on a normal Facebook profile. So this really opens up your reach by switching it to that professional profile, and it's obviously free to do.